Hey guys, LeakyMan98 here from the Spinesoft YouTube channel, and today will be my first review. I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful Snowwolf SV-98 bought off of evike.com. So the first thing we are going to be talking about is the look of it. By the way, the scope does not come included. I bought it separately. So you gotta buy your own scope if you purchase this. For the most part, it is basically just an AWP. As you can see, it's very similar to it. But it's regardless of what it is a very beautiful gun. So before you hear the good things about the gun, you're probably going to want to know what is bad about it. There are two issues. One is way bigger than the other, so I will be discussing that. So the first problem with this weapon, this is much more of a problem if you are actually in an airsoft match or you're playing with your friends. It hurts the performance of this weapon. It is the mag release. Kind of hard to see, but here's the magazine. It's similar to an AK in the sense that you have to push the mag release forward and then take it out. It's not very smooth, and it's difficult to get it out the first couple times. It's a pretty tight fit. The magazine seems to be made out of kind of cheap looking plastic. Nothing like this gun actually is. It's a very beautiful gun made out of good materials. The second problem, it's only if you're being fast, is the bolt. Right here, this notch, the bolt can go down when it's back. So if you're pushing it forward, it can often get stuck on this little notch here. And over time, that will damage this thing. So you need to make sure that you're being careful when you are using the bolt. I do not have all the things that it came with for the box. I would have to unscrew some things. So when it arrives, it comes in a fairly large box. The green body and the barrel and the bolt actually are separate. This whole black part, you actually have to screw it in at 2 points here and back here. When it gets, keep misfiring that thing. When it gets delivered, it comes with a pack of BBs, I still don't know what the thing is called. It's like a strap that goes around your shoulder. A speed loader, which is actually very helpful. A carrying handle that is mounted here and here. I think I have that somewhere. Might show you it in the video. Some screws to secure this in place. These two separate parts of the body. And cut this part out.
No.
Obviously an instructions manual, so you know how to put this thing together. Also, maybe you can see, it actually has a front iron sight if you don't have a scope on it, so that is still useful. It doesn't have a rear sight, but it still has the front sight that can help you out if you don't have the money to buy a scope, because this thing is relatively expensive. With that being said, let's go on to the price of this. Okay, so midway through recording, I had to double check the price. This is a solid $205 on Evike. I'm not sure if it shows up on other websites or not. But if you want to look, go ahead. As of right now, it's $205 at the end of 2020. It might go up, it might go down. Let's hope it stays the same, maybe goes down. It's a bit expensive, I will say, for what it is. It's a solid weapon, honestly. I am yet to use this in an airsoft match. I've never gone to an airsoft match ever, actually. So you might be expecting a video of that relatively soon. But I believe that is all the important things to this gun. And with that being said, I believe that is all there is to this weapon. I might find some other cool things about this later, but as of right now, that's all I have to the review of this weapon. It's a solid 8, 9 out of 10, honestly. This weapon is pretty good for $205. You might see gameplay of it in an Airsoft match in the near future, far future. This whole COVID thing's messing everything up. But until then, that is the review of the Snowwolf SV-98 on e-bike. And until next time, see you.